Then we select the pen tool again and we draw again like this. You can either follow my steps like this, or you can create your own design using the same techniques and ideas I show you. Using the same tools, techniques, and idea. Or you can follow every move I make to create the same design I'm showing you right here. Now I select the ellipse tool and I draw a circle right here, holding the shift button to make it symmetrical. I'm gonna make it in white. And I center it like this. Now I hold the Alt button, I drag it to duplicate it like this. And I center it on the other side like this. Then I make a smaller circle in here, holding the shift button again to make sure that the circle is symmetrical, and I will make it in this color, yellow, like this. I put it right here. Then I hold the Alt button, I drag it to duplicate it like this. Again, I duplicate it one more time right here. Perfect. As you see, they look like sonar goggles. Now I go to View, Rulers, Show Rulers. To make sure that everything is aligned perfectly, I place the ruler right here. Then another one right here. Then I adjust the shapes accordingly. As I said, we make sure that everything is aligned perfectly. As I said before, sometimes you are going into a direction, then suddenly change of mind and you can change the shape entirely. It's up to you. Things like that happen. Now I'm gonna make this one in red like this. This one I make it in green. In here I make it in blue, and I keep the upper one in yellow. So as you see, first it appears like sonar goggles, but now it appears like we have here the buttons of a controller, of an Xbox controller. Now we select the rectangle tool, we make a square in here, or maybe a rectangle. I make it in red. I hold the Alt button and I duplicate it like here. Then I hold the Alt button, I duplicate it again. Then I duplicate it for one last time and I put it on the left side right here. I need to hold the Alt button and I drag it like this. Perfect. As I said, the goggles look like an Xbox controller. Now we keep drawing the face. Now first I'm gonna select this color. Here it is. I copy it using the eyedropper tool. This is the code of the color. I copy it, I paste it, in here, and here we are. If you want to use the same color I'm using here, just take a look at the color code. Now we use the pen tool to draw a curvy line right here. I keep going like this. Perfect. And always connect the last dot with the first one. And we click enter from the keyboard to apply the changes. Now we swap the fill like this. Double click here and we make it in this color right here. Darker than the lower one. Now a little bit adjustments. We use the curvature tool and we start adjusting like this. Perfect. I zoom out and this is our logo design almost ready. We just need to draw the mouth. Now we zoom in, we select the pen tool and we draw the mouth shape right here like this. I click and drag to make a curvy line like this. Then we connect the first dot with the last one like this. Perfect. And here we are. This is the final look of our logo design. Now right click, we hide the guides. You can add any text or slogan you want. As I always say in every video, the text or the slogan depends on your project. If you're designing this project for yourself, for another person, or even for a company. And you can always select any size, font, and color of the text you want. Now double click to select it like this, and we change the font like this. And of course this font and size and color is just an example. So this is the final look of our logo design. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video to work on the next logo design.